Watch and I will go through the process of removing flicker from a video clip. I'm running Adobe After Effects version 7 Professional, but the process is the same with other versions and with Adobe Premiere. As I play the clip, you can see the brightness flickering because of the small differences in exposure between the successive images. This is called time-lapse flicker. To fix this, I will apply the GB DeflickerDemo480p filter. Here you can see some of the filter controls. The top graph is the histogram of the current frame. Below that is a chart of the luminance for each frame of the clip. I will turn on the option to calculate the output histogram. More about this in a minute. First I will play the clip with the filter applied. The default filter values will usually produce a good result. You can see that the clip looks much better. Calculating the output histogram isn't necessary, but it can show how well the filter performs. It's for information only. You wouldn't normally use it because it slows things down a bit. As the video is played, the luminance values were calculated and are shown by this yellow line in the graph. You can see the fluctuations and the variance value, 3.68. That luminance fluctuation is what causes the flickering. Calculating the output histogram produced this black line showing the luminance after filtering. The fluctuations have been removed and the variance is greatly reduced from 3.68 down to 0.32. I've been using this smoothing method and the option to favor brighter regions of the image. The output luminance is calculated by a moving average of 15 frames before and after the current frame. I could also restrict the calculation to a subregion of the image by specifying 2 corners of a rectangle to analyze. Notice how the image gradually got brighter. It's almost a straight line going a little bit up. So I think I'll try the keyframe method. Since we made a change to the filter, the graph is no longer valid and is erased. First I move the timeline slider to the start of the clip and click on the yellow marker in the histogram to set the first keyframe. Now I will add a keyframe to the timeline. Then I move the timeline slider to the end of the clip and click the yellow marker again to set the second keyframe. As the clip is played, the filter is applied and the output histogram is being recalculated. You can see that the output luminance is a straight line now with even less variance. The histogram overlay option can sometimes help you see what's happening in a clip. I will turn it on. I will also turn off the Calculate Output Histogram and turn on the Don't Deflicker option so we will see the histogram of the input. I'll drag the histogram so it's more visible. You can see the side-to-side movement of the histogram is indicative of the flicker. When I turn off the Don't Deflicker option, you can see the side-to-side movement is reduced. GB DeflickerDemo480p normally works well with its default values, but as you have seen, it can be customized for those cases when you need it. The GB DeflickerDemo480p free trial is available at grandbaysoftware.com.